Talent, that natural aptitude or skill, combined with the right mix of ingredients, can be developed to achieve one's fullest potential and help to positively shape society. And for those reasons and more, it's important for parents to nurture the skill set of children. Youngsters will develop greater confidence, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills, which are all needed for their overall development.
Promise me that you'll give faith a fighting chance.
Talents differ from person to person. It may be cooking, drawing, writing, playing a musical instrument, singing,
Good to me, how could I let him down?
or mastering a particular game.
How could I let him down?
Meet Shavel, Nelisha, and Paul, 3 students with outstanding talents, trailblazers in their own right, all because of an effective support system.
I've come just now to say thank you, okay. He gave this very special talent to me. Well, everyone in my family can sing, but it looks like I got everything.
It's no wonder her captivating performances are making the rounds on social media. She has also won her school's talent evolution competition. But none of that would have been possible without the support of her mother and friends.
When I really didn't want to enter the competition, they're like, enter, enter. Can't express my heart's desire. Gratitude for one more day, my needs supply.
It's a similar story for Shavel, a drummer. His mother has been instrumental to his development.
I am always at the rehearsals. I am at all the performances. Some of the time they are going out and no spaces on the bus, but I always find a space to be there. Yes, and always cheering him along. Always.
Chevel have a love for drumming. From he was a baby coming to this institution with his mom. As soon as Chevel hear the drumming, his mom would actually bring him come to the rehearsal to see what is going on.
That helped Shavel to receive the Best Drummer in the Under-19 category of the 2016 staging of the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission JCDC Festival competition. He has also received numerous gold and silver medals for his drumming in both solo and group performances. But talents are not all musically related.
I'm good at chess and I'm a very competitive person. I'm focused and I'm confident. So if you beat me, I'm going to try to beat you.
He's very competitive, and so chess suits him very well. He wants to win. He wants to do a good job. And he's driven. I mean, anybody who sits before Paul knows they're in for an intense match. Every year he wins awards for chess. It's taught as a subject, so you can't not want to do chess. You have to do chess. I have seen definitely a turnaround in students. They are more disciplined, more focused, more analytical. When you're you can pick anything and discuss with them.
So, if your child is interested in chess,
learn the game so your child can play with you. Create scenarios or take them to events where they can play and practice their craft. If there's someone old in the community who loves the sport, they can play with them. There's no age limit to it. That's the only way that you maintain interest.
the government, through the National Parenting Support Commission, has long been an advocate for good parental support, especially when it comes to nurturing talents in children.
If we can inculcate a culture of patience in children and perseverance, and what we find is that those children, they're able to be more resilient and overcome obstacles.
The one challenge me because I don't have a drum at home, but then I don't make that bother me. I take up the pot and I beat the pot to practice with my talent of singing, playing the bass guitar, and playing the drum, even the trap set, the drum set that is. I intend on doing ethnomusicology, therefore studying different ethnic aspects of music and coming back to these schools, and I can promise you right now that I will be one of those prominent Caribbean artists and composers.
So, what can parents do to better develop the natural skills of their children?
Be a role model for their children. You know, give them the push, give them the encouragement, you know, because sometimes everyone needs a push.
And so when parents foster and inculcate a culture of change in their children to become anything that they want to be, then that contributes to the holistic development of the society as a whole.
You're always down for me, have always been around for me, even when I was bad. You showed me right from my wrong.